G'day there, my name's Kevin Sorrell. I'm a advocate for Innerorigin. This is a pack that we just got in the mail and we're just going to open it today. So we've got a few things inside here. We've got a looks like a stainless steel water bottle, which will come in handy. Look in there. That there to the side. We have some looks like heart health pills, tomato heart health pills for cardiovascular. Something looks like it's pretty good. That there. Some organic coconut scrub. Some vitamin for looks like shave gel for the blokes, especially for me. There you go, have a look. Yeah. Face moisturiser, vitamin as well, vitamin K2, some magnesium, ultra potent, pretty good stuff this. I've been using this for a long time now, quite cheap too. Some Uniquel or Uniquinol QC10 for heart health. And we have a skin cleansing pack. Looks pretty good, well packaged there, all nice. Have a mineral bar and some cleanse detox and some from Zero Soft from New Zealand. Good. Alright. Pain Master for micro technology, electronic pain master. Something good that I've been looking for. And this is what I've been looking for. The Trio detox pack from Sandra Cabot. And have a look inside here. Have a little cookbook there, and the satchels for the detox of the gut. It looks like there's another one in here, which I could probably give that away to a friend of mine. And we have a aroma therapy. We'll open this up and have a look. So there's a sticker there, so have a bit of a look. Looks pretty good. Power buttons there, so it connects up with the power supply in here. There you go. Some supercharged bar from Race Rice. Looks like. Well, yum yum yum. So we want one? No? And another one there, looks like choc mint. Some organic coffee.
How they look like inside?
Little capsule things.
Huh.
And we have here, oh, this is the the founder's pin from Founding Advocate. Right there.
So that one is mean you have to put when you go to talk with your team.
That's right. Put that back in here, and here. And vitamin for conditioner, and looks like shampoo. All organic. Immune strength liquid from Cabot Health, supports the natural immune defense. Magnesium or orotate for sure about that. Cardio metabolic health for great for your heart. Have a look at that. Have 2 packs, or 1 of each, of line smoothing cream and relief moisturiser from Skin, or the Skin. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it's organic as well. Have a shopping bag there that I can take to the supermarket. People will go. Now have another box here. Oh, some organic coconut water in the glass bottle. That's a first. Some organic tea. Some more organic tea for calming. Natural pure deodorant, something that is really good if you're, concerned about the perfume they put in certain deodorants and that. And looks like a natural mist deodorant as well. I think this one is fragrance free. Livertone Plus, some Cassandra Cabot, good for your liver. And this one is for the essential oil for the aromatherapy machine. Toothpaste, an organic, natural, no fluoride. Natural body joint rub. Not 100% sure what that does. And Magic Mud from New Zealand, naturally awesome hand cleaner, and that from New Zealand. I'm sure that's pretty good. And collagen food for help prevent or support healthier hair and skin and nails. Good for the ladies out there. Now some more deodorant. Face and body cleanser from Vitamin. And have natural beauty blend of botanicals and Biotune silica. And the box is empty. We have a CD there that tells you all about the business. You can put on the computer and have a look. And looks like a presentation book to keep all your documents and all that. There you go. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you'd like to join up, my referral name is Coil, C-O-I-L. Thanks very much. Bye.